The Ultrasound Lab is a fantastic opportunity for our students. Created by our previous executive dean, who was a radiologist. So we had this ultrasound equipment, and what he's done is to create a peer tutoring and peer teaching opportunity for our advanced students who understand and were trained to do the ultrasound teaching to be able to teach their peers. It allows students an understanding of ultrasound, how it works, how to get it done from a technical perspective. But more importantly, we use it to enhance education and understanding of anatomy. Because students actually get to see the anatomy from the perspective of the ultrasound.
We just saw a new piece of technology with the school where you can look through a VR headset and look at the different layers in an ultrasound.
I just used a VR set to see the 3D structures of the ultrasound mannequin. And so you see the skeleton, you see the internal organs, you're able to appreciate the heart beating, all in 3D whilst you're using the VR set.
This is really cool. It really is. It's very interesting. It was interactive. I had never seen anything like it before.
This is cool. This is so amazing. I've never seen anything like this before. And as a visual learner, it brings everything to life because it's like you're actually seeing it in real time. And I've never been able to do that. So I'm like, wow.
That's been greatly helpful for many students.